Hey guys, before I continue this, I just want to say I was given permission, okay? I was given permission, so hopefully no copyrights. Okay, that's it. I will leave you all to enjoy the rest of it, and goodbye.
And I feel the pain. Broken hearts, they all feel the same. I don't wanna be all alone. Just pull me apart, take me away. Tell me it's all gonna be okay. I wanna feel like I'm still alive. I'm dead inside. And all I know is I keep on waiting. My mind's running and my heart beats racing. I'm not the same since your heart gave out on me, on me. Wish you would stay, but I know you gotta go. I hate change and I hate being alone. Never the same, the beginning always loved it more.